I love that at 40 is an insult at 50. They're analysts. They don't know preferred stock from livestock, all right? So you wait till it heads south, then we raise the sperm count on the deal, okay? Get back at you. This is the kid. Calls me 59 days in a row, wants to be a player. So what's on your mind, Kemosabe? Why am I listening to you? I gotta monitor my blood pressure, so whatever you do, don't upset me here.
No, sir.
Within 45 seconds, the microprocessor computes your systolic and diastolic pressure. Got an LCD readout, cost effective, less than one visit to a doctor.
Well, nice to meet you, dear boss. My name's Danny from Morgan Stanley, and I come here today for a suggestion about the optimized location of your new distribution centers. I'm so familiar with the 1 minute, 1 chance rule when talking with a big boss like you, so I just should keep it short. Firstly, let me introduce my excellent team members. That's me, Danny, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. It's not funny. Keep straight. We suggest 2 centers in total. One is located at 8 East, 5 South, and the other is 10 East, 17 South. Firstly, we found these 2 centers just have a relatively high capacity to achieve the potential demands around, both and all above 80%. Then, according to our professional testing result, the gross profit is increasing progression, which means more centers established, more gross profit we will get. But we just need to take various sorts of transaction costs into consideration, so total profit, which minus these costs, would be a much more practical target to be maximized, compared with the gross profit. And the total profit is a broken line, which peaks at 417 with 2 centers. So we just choose it as our maximized result. All in all, our optimized solution is 2 centers, 1,231 gross profit, and 417 total profit. By the way, if any extra constraints added by your complaint for me, and I'll make a change. Any questions?
Home number's in the back.
Bud Fox, I look at 100 deals a day. I choose one.
I hope to hear from you, sir.
Thanks for the cigars. Let's go, guys. Looks like we're going over 5% in